Aquasana AQ-5200 two-stage water filter. Aquasana is a recognized brand in the water filtration space, so much so that the company has produced a trendy line of whole house under the sink shower and countertop water filtration systems. The AQ-5200 two-stage water filter by Aquasana is built with Claryum superior technology, tested to ensure the activated carbon filter will reduce organic chemicals like herbicides, pesticides, and VOCs. Proprietary catalytic carbon to target chlorine, and unique ion exchange filters to tackle heavy metals like lead and mercury. The AQ-5200 offers pure water filtration at 0.5 gallons per minute. The entire system is NSF certified to meet all water filtration standards. Your first purchase includes all filters and parts required to make DIY installation a snap, and fresh-tasting pure water will flow from a stylish metal faucet included in your purchase. Using the latest technology and forward-thinking, environmentally friendly innovation, the AQ-5200 is an intelligent system designed to reduce plastic waste by minimizing all the disposable plastic parts found in competitor brands. The Aquasana AQ-5200 is small but mighty, weighing a mere 0.8 ounces and measuring 8.25 inches wide by 4.25 inches deep and 9 inches high. It's truly the best budget under-sink water filter. Warranty: 6 months, 500 gallons. Pros: 10 cents per gallon, 12 times the capacity of the leading gravity pitcher. Built-in filter change alerts. Easy twist, environmentally friendly filter housing. Cons: questionable customer service. Unit arrives with missing parts. Disappointing flimsy metallic faucet and pure filter O-ring quality.